Are you craving something no longer on shelves? We're recreating loved and lost South African favourites at home, one fallen snack aisle hero at a time.
Here we have got, what is this called? A bowl. Okay, so here we have got a bowl full of water and we are just going to slice, good old potato, nothing fancy here. We're just going to use a mandolin to slice it straight into the water. Okay guys, it is advised that when using a mandolin that you use the shield. I'm obviously not doing that because I can't find it. You see it just goes pretty simply, and you are going to get them quite thin. Oh geez, bit of a tough potato there. We'll get there eventually. In case you're wondering what we're doing with these spud stubs, that's quite a tongue twister if you'd say it a few times over. These are going to become earthworm food. Okay, we have got some vinegar water boiling, so it's literally just a tablespoon or two of vinegar in water, and we are going to blanch our potato chips, or potato chips to be. You want to blanch them in the vinegar only because you're going to get a nice crisp chip that way, and it's not going to have too much color on. Okay, we are going to drop them in soon. I've taken them the oil a little bit above 180, but you want to keep your oil between 160 and 180 when we are frying them. And we're just going to drop them in. Just want to fry them until they sort of come to the top and they get a little bit of color. You don't really want them too dark. Okay, so a bit of a cheat. This is just salt and vinegar seasoning. No idea if it'll work. While they're warm, you just want to give them a good seasoning. We actually made Lay's salt and vinegar chips. And I'm not just like tooting my own horn by saying that these look pretty similar to what you would expect from Lay's. You can even hear it's quite nice and crispy, and it does smell like it's quite a good amount of vinegar going on. Okay, now for the good part. You hear that? It's nice and crispy. These are good. Maybe not as good as the original, if I'm really honest. They're not as vinegary as you would like, but comes close.